This verse is like a eulogy and what we fighting over. Thought this earth was made for you and me, and when the fighting's over, hating won't reverse the scrutiny if we stand together on a way to withstand the weather. I can never let another man just tell me that this is land to measure. I can never be another man that tell you that his plan is better. Stand for peace, it takes more than just posting on the gram to settle.
រួបរวมគ្នាបេះដូងតែមួយជាមួយស្មារតីវិយាវ័នរត់តែទុតបេះដូងធំតែប្រជុំធនធាននៃបញ្ញវន្ត Together we get stronger កាត់មិនបាក់គ្មានពាក្យ surrender ក្តីស្រឡាញ់គ្រប់ទីកន្លែងបំលែងចឹងជា power មិនឲ្យរំពួររំកើយើងនៅទីនេះ show the world we all stand for peace តាំងចំហឆោញមើលយើងគិតស្មាយើងអស់ចា we are one love one love
យើងជាជនរួមជាតិយើងត្រូវតែរួមចិត្តរួមគ្នាជាកម្លាំងមួយដ៏សែនស័ក្តិសិទ្ធិ one love ក្តីស្រឡាញ់តែមួយជួយជាតិអត់ខាតខានអរគុណសន្តិភាពនាំឲ្យយើងសុខសាន្ត one love Oh smile Cambodia you've been through much hardship and pain yet you reign on top your children are peaceful we don't indulge in no evil the pearl of Asia with open arms will receive you maybe it's not in my place but I say it how I see it you need to be here to live here to understand it to believe it this type of peace of mind no money can buy it family values on the highest price list
យើងតែមួយខ្មែរតែមួយរួមសុខខ្លាញ់នឹងទុកបានអ្នកមានទុកយើងជួយឈាមតែមួយខ្មែរតែមួយរួមគ្នាដើរទៅមុខនៅក្នុងគោលដៅតែមួយអាណាចក្រអស្ចារ្យអាណាចក្រអស្ចារ្យ